Hey there, students. Welcome to Unit 4, Consumer Health. I'm just making this quick video to go over our unit and to show you a few areas where you need to pay special attention so that you can be successful in this unit. So, consumer health. What even is that? Consumer health has to do with the things that we buy, the things that we consume, the things that, when you go to the store, we are choosing to buy, or the places that we're choosing to go. And so this is actually a super important unit. We are like bombarded with advertisements and information, and it's super important that we have this unit because of that, and because we're surrounded with such information, whether it's true or false, or it's our job to stay smart and to choose how we consume things and what we consume, and be really smart about our choices. And so that's what this is all about. And so you're going to find it super helpful and important. And then even maybe after you've done this unit, or while you're doing this unit, you'll realize all the ways and all the places where you see advertisements, and where you actually would choose and need to be smart as a consumer. So a couple of places where students trip up in this lesson are, first of all, in our discussion board. This discussion board is all about sharing scams that we've experienced, or we know somebody who's experienced them. Make sure the scam that you talk about, or that you bring up, or you look up on the internet, make sure it's about health. Make sure it's health related. Okay, we have ads and advertisements and false advertising for all sorts of things. But since this is a health class, we really want to, dive into the health aspect of that. That can deal with like weight loss, it can deal with food, it can deal with like activities, healthy activities, or medicines, things like that. So make sure it's all in regards to health. And it can also, because we have our health triangle, it can also have to do with social health, and with mental and emotional health, or physical health. Any three of those things, kind of be thinking within that triangle somewhere. And so that's the first place people trip up. And then also just remember your initial post by Wednesday, and then 2 posts to your classmates later on in the week, and make sure you're asking questions and bringing up new things, and linking it to other things. Okay, make sure it's a conversation, not just a one-way talking. And then the other place where students kind of trip up is in this coordinated health programs in schools. It's really the only big assignment in this unit, but just be sure you're following the rubric. Okay, this shows you exactly what you're going to be graded on, and this is what I use to grade. So make sure you're paying attention, and in this column over here, this is what we need. This is what we're looking for. Okay, so just make sure you have all those things, and you should be golden. But other than that, we have a pretty straightforward unit. We have some readings and quizzes, and then we have our review and our test. And as you guys are testing, make sure you're giving yourself enough time to review so that you can really feel confident in taking that test, and hopefully that will help you. All right, guys, I think that's it for this unit. If you have any questions, let me know.